Hey everyone, so here is Spotify Greenroom app, which is a live audio experience, part of Spotify app. It was just recently introduced in the App Store, and this is Spotify alternative to Clubhouse, another real-time audio app. So to install it on iPhone, just tap Get, and it's only 54 megabytes. Then you just need to use your Touch ID or password. And yeah, so the idea is that you will have like a real-time conversations, real-time audio chat, and it's a separate app. And if I just open it up, let's see what happens. I can either continue with Spotify or sign up for free. So then I just need to open my Spotify account. I don't think it matters if you have premium or just a free account. And then let's just create an account. You need to use your details here. Something like that. Then you need to upload a profile picture. So there you have it. And then just tap next, and then you just need to enter your interests, and then you can just follow or some groups or some people. You can see all of them, and then just tap next. You can enable, disable notifications, and then just agree to the rules. And there you have it. That's a Spotify Greenroom, and that's how you basically create an account and start using the app. Then you just have your profile. You can edit it. You can edit your username, which is pretty cool. Okay, so I reserved seems like a cool username. And then there is like a welcome club which you can join, and then there are settings, your password, your all of that. And then you can also add your YouTube channel, Twitter, add bio, favorite topics, and all of that. So that's the idea. And also in the bottom you can create a room. And then you can just join room and start communicating similar to Clubhouse.